Very funny and interesting story. Ali was an ordinary guy, but he had a strange habit. He was always spinning his small ring. His friends used to make fun of him, saying, "Bro, is this ring your future's GPS?" But Ali would confidently reply, "As long as my ring keeps spinning, my luck is running." One day, something unexpected happened. One day, Ali was casually walking in the market, spinning his ring as usual. Suddenly, the ring slipped from his fingers, flew into the air, and landed straight on a VIP car. A furious man stepped out. It was an assistant to a big politician. "What the hell? What kind of nonsense is this?" the assistant yelled. Ali, trying to act cool, smiled and said, "Sir, this ring is a sign of your destiny." The assistant picked up the ring and laughed. "Oh really? Let's test this so-called lucky ring." Just for fun, the assistant put the ring on his finger. At that very moment, his phone rang. His boss was on the line. "Congratulations. You've been selected for an all-expenses-paid trip to Dubai." The assistant was shocked. Ali smirked. "Told you, bro. This ring is lucky." Now curious, the assistant decided to test it again. He bought a lottery ticket while wearing the ring. The next day, the assistant checked the lottery results, and boom! He had 10 lakh won rupees. He couldn't believe it. He looked at the ring on his finger and thought, "Is this real magic?" Without wasting time, he rushed back to find Ali. "Bro, sell me this ring. Name your price," the assistant begged. Ali laughed. "Sir, money comes and goes, but my ring, it always spins." The assistant was desperate. He threw a bundle of cash in front of Ali. "Take this. Just give me the ring." Ali thought for a moment and said, "All right, deal." He handed over the ring and walked away, counting his cash. Excited about his lucky ring, the assistant wore it everywhere. But the moment Ali left, his boss called again. "Boss, there was a mistake. You are not going to Dubai. The trip is cancelled." Assistant: "What?" Then he checked his lottery ticket again. It turned out, he had misread the number. He didn't win anything. Panicking, he ran back to find Ali, but Ali was gone. The assistant looked at the ring in disbelief. "No, I got scammed by a spinning ring." Meanwhile, Ali was sitting at a tea stall, enjoying a cup of chai, and counting his money. He smiled and whispered, "Never trust a ring, bro, only trust your own luck." Moral: sometimes, luck is not in the ring, but in the smartness of the person who spins it.